So before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver and you want to make an extra $100 extra per month, there's a company called Play Octopus that will send you a free tablet to put in your car. You just have to use our link below. You put the tablet in your car, your passengers can play games, and you as a driver make an extra up to $100 per month. Sign up for Play Octopus with the link down below. It's free to sign up. They're pretty much nationwide now, so use the link, start making an extra $100 a month, and let's get started. This is the real reason why Uber driver rates are so low. Uber CEO met with Mikhailo Fedorov in Kyiv today. He made an incredible journey across the ocean to support Ukraine during its most difficult winter in history. Together, we discussed Uber's extensive support for Ukraine in 2022, as well as their commitment to continue these efforts in 2023. Do you all wonder, if you drive for Uber, why your rates are so low? Well, it's because all of your hard-earned money is going to Ukraine. Uber is holding a, what is that, a cookie?
That's not a cookie.
A cereal box? Coffee? This looks like a bag of coffee beans. What is this? A sponge? Do you know what that is?
I don't know. I thought it was like a rock or something. With like, I don't know.
So apparently, guys, I was doing some research. Uber's really into supporting Ukraine.
Oh.
And I have no problem sending money to people who are in need. I'm not against it. Actually, I kind of am. But the only reason I am is because I once heard a very successful businessman say that there's statistics that when these charity companies, whatever, they send a bunch of clothes, a bunch of food supplies, mostly clothes and stuff, into, let's say, a third world country in Africa, who these people need clothes, they have a lot of money. He made an argument saying that it's actually counterintuitive to send clothes and stuff to a third world country. And you might say, everybody's like, what? Like, why would that be bad? Like, people need clothes. Like, they get new clothes. Isn't that great? Actually, his argument was that the way that third world countries develop and the way that economies develop and countries develop and get better is through supporting local businesses, so that this business can be successful, and then it creates jobs, and then people spend money, and then it just like kind of creates this economy. So
yeah,
when they send in clothes and stuff, there was like a case study about this third world country in Africa who every single year they get a huge shipment of clothes, and all the local businesses suffer, and some of them even have to shut down because now people aren't going to shopping anymore to buy clothes because they just get a ton of free clothes. So I thought that was very interesting, that you need to think twice about, okay, yeah, let's donate these shirts, let's donate this, but then it's like, well, you're also at the same time potentially hurting local businesses who like would otherwise have gotten a sale of a t-shirt. Anyways, I'm rambling at this point, but I just want to highlight this, that Uber will make a contribution of $1.5 million for ambulances. And I'm just like, where's this money coming from? Is it coming from drivers? I mean, it's like drivers are the ones that make all the money for them.
Yeah.
Why? Oh, yeah. And my argument here is like, yes, it's great to send money overseas, but it's like, why not help? I mean, like, you can Google, here, let me do a quick Google search, guys. Let me go to...
People say all the time that, like, you should only give to people in need if you're not also in need.
Yeah, like, and so many Uber drivers are really struggling. This guy, he drives 60 hours a week. He's homeless. There's countless stories about how many Uber drivers are literally like
live in their car.
They're working, they're making ends meet. It's like, I think that before we go and donate millions of dollars to Ukraine, it's like the government's already sending billions of dollars over there. Like Uber, I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong on this. Maybe my take is wrong, but that's just kind of like, I feel like drivers should get more pay before we. If drivers are making tons of money, then yeah, I don't know. But try not to get canceled because I know this is a kind of controversial topic. So